Smoke alarm went off at 9. I woke up, wiped the sleep out of my eye. She left a note, I'll be back in 5. Well, I'm still waiting for that moment to arrive. Hey, and I was told to put my job in front of you, but it won't hold me like you do. But I do it for the love, waiting on the gold rush, keep it on the edge, smoking on a roll-up. When I see my friends, all they say is hold up. And remember the time when we were in school, listening to grown-ups, didn't learn a thing. But then again, you know what, you know how to sing, but you don't know anything other than that. So maybe you should learn to love her like the way. Or maybe you should learn to love her like the way you wanna be loved.